quilting friend, it's Carolina Moore here for The Stitch in Heaven, and if you've met me in person or online, then you definitely know that I love my quilting rulers. I collect quilting rulers and use them all for all kinds of different reasons, and I love specialty rulers. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can actually combine rulers in order to get really awesome results. So in this case, I'm using the 90-degree quarter square triangle ruler and the 45-degree half square triangle ruler to make flying geese blocks, combining these two rulers. So you ready? Let's get started. I have my two strips here, and in this case I'm going to want the center part of my flying geese block to be this blue, and I want the outside of my flying geese block, the background, to be this kind of creamier color. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this creamier color. I have two layers here. I just have it on the fold, and that is totally simple, fine. It'll let me cut twice as fast. I'm going to go ahead and grab my ruler. Now both these strips are cut the same size. I cut them both at 6 inches, and having them cut both the same size, whatever size you're using, is key for making these flying geese blocks. So I'm going to go ahead and line up the 6-inch line right here. There we go. And then just for this first cut, I'm cutting away my selvage edge, and I didn't do a great job of cutting there. Oh, that'll be fine. Looks good. Okay, so I have two. I'm going to flip my ruler around, and I just need one cut for every next set of triangles. So there we go. These are my 45-degree half square triangle pieces that I cut with the 45-degree half square triangle ruler. I'm going to set those aside for just a second, and I can set this aside as well. And now I'm going to grab my darker fabric. Now I have the selvage. I'm going to flip this over because I want to make sure that I can see where my selvage edge is, and I don't miscut and cut too close to this edge, not knowing that this edge is not lined up. Okay, so I'm going to line this up with this 6-inch bottom, which means that this little point, which is cut off on the top, is lined up with the top edge of my strip. Super simple. 2 cuts. And if I wanted to keep going, I would just flip this 180 degrees, and I can go ahead and make another cut. Because I have this on the fold, I could then actually open this up and get one more 6-inch triangle out of my strip. So I'd get 5 6-inch triangles out of my strip. In this case, I'm just making 2 flying geese blocks. So I already cut my 4 outside triangles, and now I have my 2 center triangles. We'll move that out of the way. And then I'll show you how simple it is to put these together. So you can see how beautifully these go together. I'm just going to line up that flat top edge with this flat top edge, and I can stitch that at a 1/4 inch seam, open this up, and then I'll be able to do the same with the other side, and then I can do the exact same with this bottom one, and then I'll have 2 flying geese blocks just by cutting 6-inch strips of 2 fabrics. So 2 fabrics, same width of strip, and with these 2 rulers combined, you get quick and easy flying geese blocks. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let us know. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Make sure you're following the Stitch in Heaven YouTube channel. There are so many great videos here, and you don't want to miss out on any of them. Well, that's what I have for you today, my friends. I hope to see you again right here real soon. Bye for now.